Pre-construction services essentially starts with the vision of the owner in terms of what he wants to build. What we do is we assist the owner in helping him take that vision to a reality.
Pre-construction is the foundation for the success of every project that we encounter.
Really what it allows us to do is sit with the client, sit with the design team, and really vet out the process and make sure that we understand holistically what they're trying to accomplish.
What we find is that the most successful projects that we're ever involved in are projects where we're involved very early on in the design process.
You want to clearly identify your needs, your visions, your goals, and your budget for the project. And the earlier we come involved in the process, the better we can help you navigate those.
We like to have the owner involved from day one on our team so they fully understand where we're headed and how their money's being spent.
We need to educate them on all the steps and phases of pre-construction and construction. A lot of clients come to us, they don't understand township zoning, environmental issues, stormwater management, and the costs that are associated with it. A lot of these things they don't see, they don't understand, but they need to.
They were of great help in us identifying potential risks that we could run into and laying out options in case we encountered them. In the most cases, we did not.
Going through this process and selecting Target earlier, we were able to, I believe, give additional value to the owner.
We were part of a real team that worked together, and they were the leaders of that team, and that's what made it successful.
We educate clients on certain areas and aspects of value in their project. What we do is basically we'll sit with the client and we will come up with a strategy on how to spend money, where it's needed.
Target brought with them a very intentional manner of working with our team to create great value engineering suggestions that helped reduce the cost, did not reduce the function of the building, and maintained the architectural design integrity.
Value engineering is a process whereby we identify portions of the project or specific items where we can seamlessly reduce costs but not change either the function, the form, or the vision of the project.
They were able to work within the confines of our budget limitations and still come up with a very architecturally pleasing building.
If we're making the client happy and we're meeting their needs, then those are meeting our needs and those satisfy our goals as well. So we take the client's goals and visions and make them ours.
What I learned in the process was the importance of having the right people. And it was the right people at Target, the employees of Target, from the project manager to the supervisors on the job, to the cost estimators, to Rich and Pat themselves.
It's a team that cares really passionately about what we do. And I think that really unites Target as a whole, that everybody is really kind of united under the fact that we all care and we all we have our eyes on the end game, which is successful projects and building client relationships and really building this company from the inside out.
One of the things that we most enjoy about this business is that it's really personal at the end of the day in terms of how we build our projects and who we build them for. One of the greatest things that we have is clients that are willing to give us repeat business, and clients that at the end of the day are happy with the experience of working with Target on these projects.